Assemble System Unit Parts by Hayame Bidia. Power supply. A power supply is an electronic device that supplies electric energy to an electrical load. The primary function of a power supply is to convert one form of electrical energy to another, and as a result, power supplies are sometimes referred to as electric power converters. A CD-ROM is a prepared optical compact disc which contains data. The name is an acronym which stands for Compact Disc Read Only Memory. Computers can read CD-ROMs but cannot write on the CD-ROMs, which are not writable or erasable. Hard disk. A hard disk drive is a data storage device used for storing and retrieving digital information using rapidly rotating disks coated with magnetic material. An HDD retains its data even when powered off. Data is read in a random access manner, meaning individual blocks of data can be stored or retrieved in any order rather than sequentially. A floppy disk, also called a diskette, is a disk storage medium composed of a disk of thin and flexible magnetic storage medium sealed in a rectangular plastic carrier lined with fabric that removes dust particles. Floppy disks are read and written by a floppy disk drive. A video card, also called a video adapter, display card, graphics board, display adapter, graphics adapter, or frame buffer, and sometimes represented by the word diskette or dedicated to an expansion card, which generates a feed of output image to a display. Random access memory (RAM) is a form of computer data storage. A random access memory device allows data items to be read and written in roughly the same amount of time, regardless of the order in which data items are accessed. IDE, Integrated Drive Electronics, or IBM Disk Electronics. IDE is more commonly known as ATA or Parallel ATE PATA, and is a standard interface for IBM-compatible hard drives. CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the electronic circuitry within a computer that carries out the instructions of a computer program by performing the basic arithmetic, logical, control, and input-output operations specified by the instructions. Mainboard. A mainboard, sometimes alternatively known as the motherboard, system board, planar board, or logic board. Found in computers and other expandable systems, it holds many of the crucial electronic components of the system, such as the central processing unit and memory, and provides connectors for other peripherals. That is the parts of a system unit: disassemble and assemble.